long it is. Paterson. So it's free. So that's one thing that you could do for free.
Free parking.
Free parking, free entry, great view, great photo ops. Bring your mask. Come early because it's crowded.
Yeah, it looks like it. I mean, today wasn't crowded because it's raining.
Yeah, but like, look at the crowd.
And it's a rainy day.
And it's a rainy day, so if it wasn't raining, it would be worse, right?
Absolutely, yeah.
So would you say it's worth it?
I think it's worth it, yeah. It's local.
It's local. Yeah. If you're in the area and you haven't never seen it, yeah, you can check it out.
Yeah, definitely.
So, and it's what, like, would you say 20 minutes or 30?
It took me like 25 minutes to get here.
The whole thing, I think it's like 20 minutes.
20 minutes, yeah.
Probably 30 with pictures.
With pictures, yeah.
But it's a fun thing to do on the weekend. Or even the weekday.
Even the weekday.
Yeah.
I think the weekday one might be better. Because not
less
many
crowded.
people, yeah.
Yeah. So also plenty of parking.
Yes.
They have what, like 2 parking lots on this side and probably another one on the other side?
Yeah, and then on the other side you can park in the street.
Okay, so you can park in the street. Read the signs because we don't know.
Yeah, that's true.
Exactly.
Don't quote me on that.
Look at the view. Look at the view, guys. Yeah, and you know, free things to do in Jersey. Okay.
COVID things to do.
COVID things to do in Jersey. So come prepared.